Hello and welcome to Seats. Today I'm in the process of manufacturing a custom contoured headrest. This one is rather unique than normally we just make them out of ABS plastic. But this client wants to have a little bit of movement. He wants to be able to move the sides of the headrest around. So what you do is take your basic ABS shell, bend it, and now I'm adding, it's probably a little bit over, it's about 1/16 of an inch, maybe a little bit bigger, a little bit thicker aluminum, utility grade. Right now what I'm doing is I'm putting rivets in, riveting it all the way around, and then what I'm going to do is after I get all the rivets in, I'm going to go to the bandsaw and I'm going to cut it here and here, right on here and right on here. I'm going to cut it, separate the two pieces. So down along here, down along here. Now what will happen is you'll be able to bend the sides. Now the client won't be able to put enough force on this particular headrest to bend those sides out. It's just so the parent or the caregiver can grab one side of the headrest and then push the other side in or out to whatever desired angle they're looking for. So I'll bring this up a little bit closer so you can see what I'm doing. So the other part of the rivet will be on the inside, which is going to be padded so you'll never see it and nobody will ever feel it. What you want on the outside is a nice finish, which we have here, and I've used stainless steel rivets, so there's not going to be there won't be any corrosion. So you've got aluminum, plastic, and stainless steel. These are only 1/8 of an inch, which is more than enough because I'm putting enough of them in here that nothing's going to separate on you. So there it is. Again, I'm using a couple of my very, very handy DeWalt hand clamps to hold things into place as I put my rivets in. So let's continue with our rivets, and then I'll bring it back after I cut it.